Let us start working on the problem number 4 here. So if x is equal to 6 by 25 and y is equal to 3 by 5, then the value of x by y, that is x divided by y. So let me substitute here. See, let me go with this. So we need to find the x by y. What is x? That is 6 by 25, and what is y? That is going to be 3 by 5. Right, or otherwise what you can do here is 6 by 25 that divided by 3 by 5. Right, so when you are going to the fraction division, in case of fraction division, you can convert, that is 6 by 25, you can convert it into multiplication. Then you are supposed to write as a reciprocal of this number, that is going to be 5 by 3. Right, now simplify here. 5 ones are 5 5s are 3 ones are 3 2s are. Right, that is going to be 2 by 5. Right, the answer is going to be 2 by 5. Option C is the right one.